Namaste friends, welcome to our channel Long Live Homeopathy. Today we will discuss about the ERUCTATION, that is belching, causes, symptoms and homeopathic medicines. Friends, the release of swallowed air or gas from the stomach through the mouth is ERUCTATION. Belching may occur due to eating too quickly, swallowing air, carbonated drinks, overeating, indigestion, acid reflux, gastric or certain foods. So, homeopathic medicine have a lot of power to give relief and to cure such problems. The top ranked medicine is carbovage, Nux vomica, Lycopodium, Robinia, China officinalis. These medicines are very useful and very effective. And one more most important thing, that this medicine doesn't have got any kind of side effect. So you can take all the medicines very easily. But before taking these medicines, you have to consult your nearby doctor who is expert in homeopathy. Because the homeopathic medicine has got only one problem, that it cannot be prescribed by the name of the disease, but it is prescribed always from 200 years on symptom based. That is the mind and the physical symptoms. So I hope you will understand. Thank you. Long live homeopathy, long live Handyman. Don't forget to see the link video, my dear friends.